Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by choosing an online Docker host or playground and logging in. Pick the one that supports container builds and ports. Once done, upload your project files and a concise Docker file, then set build context and environment variables. Make sure to include a simple health check. You perform an initial build now to validate syntax and dependencies. If the build fails, iterate on the Docker file locally or in the editor until it completes successfully. You trigger the online build and follow the logs closely to spot missing packages or permission issues. Resolve those in the Docker file and rebuild. Next, configure runtime settings. Map container ports to public ports, set environment variables, and attach persistent storage if required. Once configured, start the container and stream logs to confirm services boot correctly. If you see failures, inspect the startup command and adjust entry point or CMD. Small fixes here will often resolve runtime errors. You validate external access by curling the public endpoint and ensuring SSL or HTTP settings match your needs. Make sure port forwarding and firewall rules permit traffic. Once verified, scale or redeploy using the dashboard or API to apply updates. Use rolling restarts to avoid downtime. If something goes wrong, the one key troubleshooting tip is to inspect both container logs and health check output, then verify resource limit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.